I'm going to guide you through installing MikuMikuDance, MMD on your PC. Go to MMDFr.fr, download MMDStart, and select Keep and Always Keep. Choose the installer language and accept the license. You can select options. Go to this page. There are models and demos of Animasa-style Vocaloids. The music from the first MMDDance during the presentation on Nico Video in Japan. PmxEditor, the tool for correcting and modifying PMX models. Download the files and leave them in the download folder. There's no need to open them. MmdStart will take care of installing them properly. If you downloaded any options, they will appear here. Depending on your computer, Microsoft libraries will be installed, such as C++ 2008, 2010, and especially DirectX 9. This takes the longest, so be patient. Next, MMD is installed, the icons are created, so please be patient. It finishes and launches MMD with a demo. All you have to do is press the play button. Have fun with MMD. Visit MmdFr.fr. I'll be adding tools and articles. For installation questions, I just opened a Discord server. For help with MMD, check out the page. I've included links to Reddit and Discord.